Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Astha Shah, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome to my crazy world. In today's episode, actually, I have thousands of boxes which have come since 2 to 3 months. I have so many PR packages, like free gifts, we get, especially during the festive season. Brands actually send us so many products because they want us to use it, actually give them honest feedback, use it in our reels, in our shorts, in our YouTube videos. So today I'm just gonna show you all the packages, what actually comes inside that, what do we actually get, and maybe in the short section, like YouTube shorts, I'll do like a review of like a few products, so you guys can see if you like anything, y'all definitely can go buy it. Let's get to the main topic and let's open all hundreds of PR boxes. Some of them I've already opened and I've started using it, so they are not a part of this. But whatever I could actually keep and show it. And I mean, I thought of this video like 2 months ago. Yeah, I'm gonna make a YouTube video about like PR packages, opening different PR packages. And finally, I'm here, today. So yeah. We start with my favorite brand, which is Bobbi Brown. Firstly, you can see that the packaging is only so cute, and actually, it's not cute, it's more premium if you go to see. I'm gonna quickly open it and show you what's inside that. Like that movie, what is that movie's name? Yeah, in which Kajol's then she keeps dropping things and Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. My mom actually calls me Kajol because whenever I'm at home, I keep dropping things, I keep breaking things. I don't have patience, so if the zip is so like open this, I'll keep like doing this when I could have just actually opened it and shown it to you. But okay, fine. So I got like a Bobbi Brown kajal, and this is a lipstick. It's like a matte liquid lipstick, and I'm excited to use it. I'm actually not going to show it to you here because if I show you the video, it's going to be really long, and I will definitely do a review on this. But just to show you what we actually get. If you get this box, you'll think, oh my god, you're going to get like 15,000 products. No, actually, it's just like two. But it's Bobbi Brown, and I really like Bobbi Brown. I actually love brands like who send like this really creative and cool thing. I get too happy. I'm like a sucker for, like really nice stationery and cute things. This is in the shape of a watermelon. I think I got this during Navratri, which is almost 2 months ago. They send cute stickers. Most brands send like really cute stickers. I give it to my mom and I don't know what she does with it. My mom is really creative and she loves drawing. She was like a drawing teacher earlier. So yeah. First things first, watermelon keychain. I just love how the packaging is done. The brand's name is Pure Sense. Pure Sense has sent me this. All of this is non-sponsored, guys, so please don't think this is a sponsored video at all. So many brands cannot come together in a video. So this is a glow. This is a glow face serum. It's called Watermelon Burst, and I'm gonna try it again and review it for you guys. Let's have MAC. This was during Diwali where they sent me this cute. Again, why is everything cute? Because girls, like, I don't know. So this is like a potli. You open, and of course they've sent you products. First, they've sent you these cards. Okay, they are like these customized. I'm thinking of the word. These are like these customized cards, playing cards, because it's Diwali and we have like card parties. Quite cool. I have an eyeliner, which my mom is going to steal. This is an highlighter. This is a lipstick. Okay, I'm just going to open one of it to show you the packaging. I think this was really cool because MAC actually sent this collection during Diwali and gave like a very festive look. And I found that quite nice. I don't know if you can see, but like it's like a full festive thing. It has these flowers and like it's a very different packaging. Too Faced. This is from Too Faced. Okay, this is a lip injection, and people have told me that this actually works. So you need to apply very like a very small bit of it. I'm excited to use it. I want to use it now, but I'm just scared. What if I put it and like my lip just plumps and like I look like a duck throughout the video? I don't know. I'm not going to try it actually right now. And this is the mascara, of course, my favorite one. My favorite mascara. This is like a brand actually I heard for the first time. It's called Makeup Forever. They've sent me their artist blush, their concealer, their bronzer, and a liner. I think this is a liner. Should I just open one? Okay. It's simple, it's nice. And like you don't open it normally. You have to press it. So there's like a thing to press here. You press it and then you open it. I wasn't even a makeup girly. Like when I was younger, I never wanted to apply any kind of makeup. People used to actually tell me that why don't you apply makeup and cover your spots? But I never believed in that. I never even owned a lipstick. I never even put kajal, mascara, nothing. I don't know. Of course, this whole industry has changed everything about me. It's been almost 4 years now, and I've been a very different person. But just like how things evolve, how you become a different person, it's just crazy to see. I mean, I started off with finance. Here I am today actually making like PR and makeup videos and beauty videos. Okay, this entire bag is from Social Ketchup. There are many things in it. I'm going to quickly open it and show it to you. So this is a brand named Kim- Kimirica. So they have really nice smelling body washes and stuff. I've used it earlier. The brand ambassador is Kiara Advani. And they've sent me so many things. Ooh, what is this? This is a hand lotion, guys. Like black and white packaging. What else do you need? A small bag of all makeup products. I'm not going to sit and remove everything, but there is lipsticks, there is like a setting powder, there's a blush, a lot of things. And this nice bag. Okay, this brand is a newly launched brand by my friend Arina Namazi. I'm sure you guys have seen her. She is a creator. I am excited to use her products. I received this 2 days ago and it's coincidentally a part of my YouTube video. I love the packaging. I love the bag. I don't want to pronounce the name of this brand because I don't really know how you pronounce it and I don't want to like make a fool out of myself. Oh my god, this is so cute. She sent me her setting spray, a lipstick shade, and I think there's like a card which says Actual Goddess. This is a brand called Cairo Beauty. Again, they had sent me this during Diwali. This is playing cards again. Guys, I have so many playing cards. I don't even play, but I have them now. And they sent me like their blushes, which are like quite pigmented. Okay, this is my favorite PR, which comes once every year, which is the end of the year, because this is like a planner, which I don't really use. But it's literally so cute and so aesthetic and so everything nice. I don't have words. I'm quickly going to show this. I mean, you get to know how it must be. It's damn cute. It has these cute keychains. It has like a back tag of a dog. I love dogs. Good things are coming. This cute calendar. Okay, this is like a manifestation. I don't know, you keep saying it. I am loved. I am focused, hopefully this year. These sticky notes, which are in the shape of animals, multiple stickers, and I don't know if you can see it, but this is like hectic. There's like a planner, which I won't open now, but it's very nice. You guys should definitely check this page out. The name is called Factor Notes. It's actually a very happy hamper. My favorite package from Sephora. Okay, this is Milk Makeup, which has launched in India. I'm sure you guys have seen the very famous jelly blush thing which went viral on Instagram. Though they've not launched that yet in India. I'm waiting for them to launch it. But look at this. It's like a suitcase. It's like NYC to India and so many products. Guys, this I'm definitely going to do a review because I know a lot of y'all want to see it. It has a primer, it has a blush, it has a bronzer, it has a mascara, it has a gloss. I love this gloss. I made a video for them on Instagram right now and I've used this. I love the gloss. And this is a setting spray. So, yeah. Okay, this I got a while ago. It's from IMDb. Of course, you guys must be knowing. They have curated the top 250 highest rated Indian movies and given it to me. It's a very innovative packaging which I've come across. I have never seen this. I've used the word packaging at least 1 million times in this video. And these are the top 250 movies. Isn't this so cool? Like everyone's favorite movies, you name it and I can find it here. Cute. I like this. This is from a skincare brand called Kiehl's, and they've sent, this is like a bag they've sent. There are no products inside, but it's like a cute little bag. It has a like a handle kind of thing. We have Clinique. Okay, they have given their limited edition black honey lip and cheek oil. Damn, I have to try this. I've not tried it yet. Oh, this is the mascara. I love mascaras. Mascara is my favorite thing. If you want to gift me anything, please gift me a mascara. Ordinary. The Ordinary Under Eye Serum is my favorite thing. I use it daily without fail. And I just hope it's there in the packaging as well. This is an oil, and okay, this is like a serum. A soothing serum for blemish prone skin. This new brand, again, I don't know if it's new, but I recently heard of it. It's called Deconstruct. They send me Motichur ka laddu. Motichur ka laddu is my favorite again. Kidding, this is not a laddu, you cannot eat it. It's a candle which you can light. They've sent me their sunscreen gel, a lip balm, and a serum. Dr. Jart. I'm sure everyone guessed this, but I have got their soothing mask. This is the viral mask all over Instagram. I haven't used this yet. I'm gonna use it and put a review again. Airbnb. How can I miss this? I went for that event and I got this. This is a rose bath salt. This is a tote bag of Airbnb. There is a green tea. I have literally destroyed this packaging. I'm gonna show you this mess around once the video is done. If someone wants to come clean and help me, you're welcome. This is foxtail. It's in the shape of a lip because, of course, who would guess it right? There are lip balms in this. They have sent me lip balms, all of like different flavors. I have tried one of them and I really like it. I've tried the clear one, but you can try the pink glaze, the ruby glaze, and the light mauve glaze. We then have Plum Goodness, which sent in their new launch. You open it and the packaging opens like this. It's their new launched perfume, if you can see it. I don't want to break the bottle. They've also sent earrings along with it. Excited to use this one. Where can I keep this big octopus kind of packaging? Then we have something from House of Lakme. So basically I'd gone for an event which was Lakme into YouTube and Lakme into Meta. So I have two of these. It was Lakme's launch of their new collection, which is the Rouge Bloom collection. They sent me all their products with it. They've sent the Rouge Bloom collection lipsticks, the powdered blush, and my most favorite one is this. Okay, but this is literally my favorite eyeshadow palette. It has all the colors. If you're going somewhere, you just need to carry this one. I mean, can you see? It's so pretty. And the best part is all the collections, they have like this engraved flower on it. If you can see this. It's damn nice. I love it. This brand is called Carolina. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to check. How do you pronounce this?
Her name is to be pronounced Carolina, not Carolina. Carolina Herrera.
Carolina Herrera. This is now my most favorite looking perfume in my wardrobe. Oh, dude, it smells so nice. I'm going to keep this really carefully because I have a feeling I'm going to drop this and mom is going to murder me. Nykaa sent me... Oh god, I didn't know this was there. Fenty Beauty has sent me this. Their foundation. Oh my god. The highlighter duo, which is my favorite highlighter duo. The contour stick, which I use daily almost. And the Gloss Bomb cream. So this is from Life and Jam. They are like these people who are based in Bombay. The young girls who've started it. They've sent me their jacket. Sorry, I'm holding it ulta. And a pair of track pants. I'll have to start gymming. Again, Kiehl's sent me this during Diwali. There's this little poster. Sunscreen. Dark spot solution. This is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I actually want to use this and tell you how it is. and this is like an ultra facial cream. I love Kiehl's because it's a very genuine skincare brand. Okay, this is from Bulgari, and I actually did a video with these guys on Instagram. I was super excited because it's an international brand. It's one of my first few international brands I've worked with. So yeah, onwards and upwards. I have to keep this very safe. Benefit. This I think they sent me during Navratri, if I am not wrong. This is the 24-hour brow setter and goof proof brow pencil, all for your brows. This moisturizer and sunscreen from Dot and Key. I've worked with Dot and Key many times and I genuinely love that brand. This is another new brand which sent me, it's called May Skin. They sent me their sunscreen, their serum, and their moisturizer. I'm gonna just end up showing you one is there. Cute, right? Quite cute. I love the color pink. This is Nykaa Man. It's supposed to go either to my brother or my dad. It has the minimalist shampoo. It has like a Cetaphil, like a travel pack. It has like razors. I got this actually during Nykaa Land. I won some game and they gifted it to me. Ranveer Singh just launched his new protein bar. It's like a wafer, protein wafers. And the day he launched it, I got it that same day. It's called Super You. It has 4 different flavors: chocolate, choco peanut butter, strawberry, and cheese. I've tried the strawberry one and I love it. It's very nice. Okay, I got this from a brand called Stays. They sent me all the brushes. I needed it right now. I'm so glad they sent it to me. And they sent me this purple box which has my name, Astha Shah. And there are multiple products inside. I'm honestly very tired to show it to you guys now. So hopefully I will put a review video and you will get to see what all is in it. I think this is going to be a long video, but this is about it. I'm going to properly review the products for you guys. This is just a small video, not small, big video to show you how we get our PR packages. Like they just send it over. Most brands even ask for our addresses. And now since we've been in this industry since a while, they automatically just send us things. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please go like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.